Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I'm going to answer this question. Is there one place I can go to get all of my Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms? And I'm going to show you how you can do all this. But before I do, hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos that I create for you on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools. So I get this all the time. People go here to the Google Apps doc and they click on calendar. They click on down here. They go to docs or sheets, or they go to slides, or they go to Hangouts and books and all the different parts of Google. Whereas if they're after all their documents, which includes docs and slides and sheets and forms, don't go to those individual sites. Just go to Drive. And in Drive are all of your Google documents, docs, sheets, slides, et cetera, that you've created. So, I mean, you can look right here and, here's Google Forms stuff. So there's some forms that I created. And there's the form and there's the sheet that's associated with the form. You can go to, Photos. And here's photos that I've uploaded in Google Photos. And from my Drive, here's documents. Here's the documents, including here's a PDF, and also here's a Google sheet that has a sample in it. So here's sheets, and here's docs, and here's a PDF. And furthermore, once you're in here, you can go to any folder you want to go to, and you can create a new doc, a new sheet, new slides, new forms. You can create a drawing, a map, a site, whatever you want to create, and you can connect other apps. Furthermore, in this folder, if I want to, I can upload, and I can pull any file I want to pull. I can pull this, this JM-Prog file, which is a Camtasia file. So uploading that, and look, I just uploaded this, jmprog.zip file that's 67 megabytes in size. Now, I can't use it from here. If I double click on it, it's probably going to error out. It's probably not even going to be able to preview it. Let's say, no, I can't preview it. So that's not going to work for me. But I can put it in here, and when I have it here, I can share it with other people. And once I share it with other people, they can download it and then they can use it. So you can put all kinds of content in My Drive in Google. And so you don't have to click on the 9 dots and go to docs and sheets and slides, et cetera, et cetera. You can just simply come to Drive and get whatever you're looking for. And when you double click on it, it's going to open that up in Google Docs. If you go over here and you double click on this spreadsheet, it's going to open it up in Google Sheets. But you're accessing it all from Google Drive. And again, you can put other documents in Google Drive. They don't have to be Google documents. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope this information is useful for you.